He not even know who I work for. Idiot boy.
Work for? Tell me who you work for. Who you work for?
Me don't go come here.
You can't just come here, so.
Well, left here. If you just come here, left here. Yeah, if you just come here, left here.
Who send you?
Nothing me idiot to talk.
So you think me an idiot will cut you and let you out? Me an idiot will cut you and let you out. You have to tell me how send you. See me have been here.
Let me go along.
You have to tell where we send you
Tell
first.
me how send you. Who send you?
Go man, cause you not give me what you want.
You have to tell me how send you. I will give everything what you want. Who send you?
Alright, tell George let me send you things for me.
You don't get nothing cooking on. You don't get no food.
You don't get nothing, man.
Go away.
You don't talk. You have to tell lie. You have to tell lie. Liar.
Go back a yeti. Liar.
Liar. You want to let you out? You have to tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
I don't know, them say this happened in Jamaica where the family member them have said the people them kill the woman for the house where she live in. Guys, I don't know what to believe, but if you notice the picture when she having the cane rug braid them and she fat and brown and chubby and everything, and then if you notice how she get black and maga down in the other video them and thing, you see the woman maga with a big belly in front of her and nobody can tell what wrong with her or what seems to happen to her. Based on the video them is like sometimes them must say the duppy attacking her, but the duppy not say who send him or whatever. I don't know, but I not lie to you, I don't know this lady from nowhere, but the video really touched my heart. You can see the poor lady in a pain, the poor lady that suffer. Like, and me I said to myself, say, if these things are really true, how do people, how you go to your bed at night? How do you go to your bed at night? How do you function knowing that you're taking somebody's life? Because I heard that the lady eventually died on February 4th, them say. Jesus, Father, I don't know, only God, I feel like only God can help you with these situations. And guys, I just want to encourage you to continue reading the Bible and pray about certain things, because the struggle is real out there. Evil is real. The Bible tells us to beware of evildoers and beware of witchcraft. And like I said, I still don't even know what to believe, because sometimes I really wonder if God would really allow man to have these powers, if God would really allow man to can be so wicked and evil.
Where I get bullet from the shoe? Mommy cut off. Tell Richie why I tell him say.
Bad bullets to me.
Richie no like you. Just here, they not buying a bullets here.
I don't like him either.
Are you man?
I don't love man.
Are you man? Where?
You dress me up so.
Yeah, batty boy. Who just say up so?
Me no love man. I shoot me, I'm gonna shoot you. They have a ear like girl. I shoot me, I'm gonna shoot that. Oh yes, they don't come back. Make him buy bullets first. Me nah laugh.
You know what laugh with him. You can't shoot him. Go, you're my friend that. And then you're no friend.
I'm gonna shoot him.
Screw you. You can't shoot me in my own place. Yeah, you get.
Your place where? I'm not your place.
Off my place.
How about place?
In the place, in the yard.
I see your yard.
How would that
I want you walk on my house.
How would talk to me?
Yeah, see me.
When?
Me a Billy.
No. You know Bill nothing here yet you come from. Go ahead.
Okay.
So you tell me say you want to go and not come back?
I come back, but me I go